So this week your assignment is to do a 2-page autobiographical comic where you're an animal in the comic. We're going to use Duchess's comic as an example. And you're going to use this paper, the Series 400. You're going to cut 2 pages down to 8.5 by 11. And then with your non-photo blue pencil, you're going to rule in a minimum of 4 panels on the page. No, let's make that 6, sorry, 5 or 6 panels on the page, that's what I mean. There should be 3 rows. You can see there are 3 rows here. Sorry about that. And then you're going to have a small square here. That's going to be the title. And then rectangle. You can do a long frame here, or you can do another long frame and small, but this is called staggered frames, where they're not all the same size. So you're going to rule out this many frames. And again, if you want to divide this into two parts, you can, so that you have 6 frames on the page, or you can do a long one. And then with you'll find your story that you want to tell. And you should do that same thing. It's so much faster. It doesn't seem like it's faster. It seems like a lot of work. But to break your story down on index cards into little pieces, kind of like you did for the Creature of the Black Magoo, where you just break it down into really fast drawings. What are some of the elements in your story? Do that really fast, and then with non-photo blue, start to draw your story in. I suggest doing it really fast and loose at the beginning, and then going back in with non-photo blue and just sort of refining things, and then ink with your Uniball. And then you can add solid blacks with the pocket brush pen, and then to go over and do watercolor. Watercolor looks best when it is done in layers. So you do a lighter layer, go ahead and kind of go through the whole thing, allowing the page to dry before you add another layer. A hairdryer really helps. And see what happens. I look forward to seeing this assignment. All right.